Well, we're going to give this a shot with a little video. I'll give you some idea about some of the stuff. We are closed, and you can see the latch a little bit there. You take note the double notch on the latch, so that both open and closed, it has a different setting. And I don't know how well you'll be able to see, but those spacers are coffin shaped Damascus spacers to go along with this. And I don't think I'm going to be able to show you that I milled the inside to lighten them up a little bit more. And show some of the file work, which is also repeated on the latch. So the colors really do pop. It's not just the photos that I was taking. There you are.